Hello, friends. Today I'll show you my recipe for scrambled eggs with cheese, onion, and tomatoes. The amount of ingredients I use is based on my husband's preferences. You can add more or less according to your own taste. The preparation method is also a bit different, so stay until the end to see exactly how I made it. Required ingredients: 8 eggs, 150 g cheese, 1/2 onion, 1 tomato, peeled, a pinch of salt, be careful, the cheese is salty, 1 tablespoon oil plus 1 tablespoon butter. Preparation method: preparing the vegetables. Finely chop the onion. Peel and dice the tomato into small cubes. Preparing the mixture. In a large bowl, crack 8 eggs. Add the crumbled cheese, chopped onion, and tomato. Add just a little salt. Mix well until everything is evenly combined. Frying. In a heated pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Pour in the entire mixture. My husband prefers everything cooked together, but I recommend sautéing the tomatoes first to let the excess water evaporate, then adding the remaining ingredients. Cooking. Reduce the heat to medium-low to prevent the eggs from becoming rubbery. Gently stir with a spatula, pulling the mixture from the edges toward the center. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, until the eggs are set but still soft and juicy. Final step. Remove from the heat just before they look fully done, they'll finish cooking on their own. Serve on a plate, garnished with a roasted hot pepper and a slice of bread. And here's the result, a delicious, quick, and inexpensive dish that works perfectly for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. If you enjoyed the recipe, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.